We'll expand this and right click on this, and we'll add a folder for the image. So we'll call this images, and from here you will right click the image and open the file explorer. In the assets folder that is provided in this course, you will go to the images and copy these 3 images and paste in the project directory inside the www.root and in the images folder, and that's it. Expand the CSS and open the app.css, and what we will do, I will replace everything. So you will find the completed project and you can copy all the CSS from that app.css. I will copy and paste it. So I have copied all the app CSS and I will paste this here. So this is the app.css file. So these are all the CSS. That's not much. This is only a few CSS. So we'll save it. And now we'll close this, and I will add another folder for JS. So call this folder JS, and we will add a file here. So you can add class like with name of custom.js, and then I will copy the custom.js. You will find this file in the completed project. So I have copied and I will paste now. So this is the custom.js, and here you can see we have only 4 functions. One is for initialize tooltip, and one is for the setting active nav, and the other 2 are related to model, opening the model and closing the model. This is very simple, and that's it. We are done with the www.root folder.